sight reading, and this is the book we are going to use, Teaching Little Fingers to Play, which is a book written by John Thompson. That is the first grade book. Okay, now on the first lesson at the keyboard, we have learning letter C, D, and E. The black of the piano keyboard are divided into patterns of 2 and 3. We discussed that in the first lesson. That is, we have 2 groups, 3 groups, 2 groups, 3 groups, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. We discussed that one. And then we also identified middle C, which is very important when we are learning the piano. We did that one. But now on our second lesson, we are identifying letter C, D, and E. Now from middle C, this is letter C, D, and this is letter E. As you can see from the book, they have shown we have 2 groups, 3 groups, 2 groups, 3, 2, and then they have shown us middle C and also letter C, D, and E. And also the reminder, if you can see at the lower part of the book, we have fingering, that is finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. That is for the left hand. And for the right hand, we have finger 1, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. And also down there, we have the treble clef, or the treble clef, bar lines, double bar lines. Now that one, I'm hoping that you understand those symbols, and also the crotchets, minims, and the semi-brief. But if you don't understand those notes, I'm going to make another video so that I can refer you. Now for today, we are learning stepping and skipping. That is our first part, stepping and skipping. And the fingering, we have the upper fingering and the lower fingering. When we are using right hand, we use the upper fingering. That is, now there we have finger 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. I'm going to play that one on my piano. It's finger 1 on the middle C, finger 2, finger 3, finger 4, finger 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. I'm going to repeat. When you are going to play this song, note that we have crotchets, minims, and a semi-brief on that song. And crochet, make sure you give it 1 count. Minims, give it 2 counts. And the semi-briefs, you give it 4 counts. Like in the last note where we are ending, that is a semi-brief, which have 4 counts. When we start, that is a crochet 1 count, crochet 1 count, minim 2 counts, crochet, crochet, minim, 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 semi-brief. So I'm going to do it with counts 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm playing it one last time, and you can focus on my fingers. We are moving in the second part of our lesson, and in the book it's written the second lesson at the keyboard. And if you can see today, now we are learning letter A, B, and C on the keyboard. On the piano, how do we get letter A, B, and C? Middle C, we have this is C, this is B, this is A. C, B, A. On the book, our clef is bass clef or F clef, and the stems are facing down. That one tells us we are going to use left hand. And when we are going to use left hand, we use the fingering which is written at below the book. That is 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3. I'm going to repeat. In the counts, you are going to refer from our first part because we are using the same note values and also the same rhythm. Now we have combining group 2 and group 1. And that one is very easy because group 2 is the one we have done stepping and skipping from A. And then group 1 is the one we started with, skipping and stepping and skipping from letter A. I'm going to repeat. On our second part, we have the second lesson in notation, if you can see down there, whereby we are referred a crochet is held for 1 count, a minim is held for 2 counts, a semi-brief is held for 4 counts. That is referring to what we discussed earlier, and I said, if you have a problem with those notes, I can make a video and I send. We are moving to part 3 of our lesson, and that will be the last part for this second lesson. And that is lesson 3 on the keyboard. And from the book, we are going to learn new letters. That is letter F and G. Remember, we had done C, D, E, and also left hand C, B, and A. Now on the piano, this is where we have letter F and G. So we have this is C, D, E, F, G. C, D, E, F, G. From the book, we are going to play stepping and skipping from letter E, and this is letter E. That is where we are going to start from. We using right hand, and we said when we use right hand from what is written on the book, we use the upper fingering, which is finger 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1. 3, 2, I'm going to demonstrate that one on the piano. I'm going to repeat. Then we have combining group 3 and group 1. And this is very easy because group 3 is the one we have done stepping and skipping from E. And group 1 is the one we started with, the first part, stepping and skipping. This is what you are supposed to play. I'm going to demonstrate on the piano. Then we have that lesson in notation, and if you can see down there, we have the time signature. And when we talk of the time signature, I'm hoping you understand what it means. We have 2/4. If we have 2/4 time signature, it means 2 crochet beads in each bar. When we have 3/4, it means 3 crochet beads in a bar. And lastly, when we have 4/4, it means 4 crochet beads in a bar. That is what we had for today. Thank you for watching. We are going to prepare more videos on piano, on guitar, recorder, and the other instruments. Thank you.